Good morning, friends. Once again, I am with you with a new topic, that is the video number 3 of the work and energy series. So, this is video number 3 in which we have to see that is the expressions of kinetic energy. So, in this video, we have to see detail about what is by energy, what are its form, what are its means different types, etc. So myself, Mr. Rahul Tantarpade, and it's your channel, that is Tantarpade Sir Advanced Science Tutorial. Please subscribe the channel and like the video, share the video and press the bell icon to get all notifications of all video. So let's start about the kinetic energy as well as that is the topic energy. So you know what is by energy? So energy is nothing but the first of all means first video में हमने देखा what is by work. So work is nothing but the means when the force is applied to an object and displacement takes place, then it is said to be work is done. So simultaneously energy. So what is by energy? The capacity to do work. The capacity to do work. The capacity to do work is called energy. It's called energy. It's called as energy. इसको हम बोलते हैं energy. बराबर है? Next, there are different forms of energy. Then next one, the forms of energy. Forms of energy. So there are different forms like the what we call it as the for example light energy, sound energy, light energy, sound energy. Mechanical energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, mechanical energy. Next one, the chemical energy. Also there are different forms etc. Next one, in this topic we have to see that is the mechanical energy, and mechanical energy has mainly two types. Mechanical energy type और type of energy ऐसा भी हम लिख सकते हैं, type of energy, types of energy. So there are two forms mainly or two types of the energy. One is called as the kinetic energy. There are two types, that is the kinetic energy and next one is the potential energy. Potential energy. So first one is the kinetic form and next one is the potential forms. So these are the two forms of the energy, या फिर हम इसको बोलते हैं it is the two types of the energy. So in this case, first of all we have to see that is the obviously these are the two types of energy. So first of all we have to see that is the energy, kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? So kinetic energy is nothing but the energy possessed by body by virtue of its motion. It is called as kinetic energy. And next one we have to see its expressions also. So you know kinetic energy, energy possessed by body due to its virtue of motion. So first of all we have to see kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So what is by kinetic energy? So energy possessed by body, energy possessed by body, possessed by body or object, energy possessed by body or object due to its motion, इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी, इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी। और इसके लिए इसका जो फार्मूला है वो है काइनेटिक एनर्जी का फार्मूला, काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर। सो एम इज द मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वी इज द वेलोसिटी, दैट इज हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एम मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, mass of object, and next one is the v is the velocity of an object, velocity of motions. So this is the formula. Then next one the SI unit. So in case of SI unit, अगर हम देखने गए अगर काइनेटिक एनर्जी का और व्हाटएवर द एनर्जी यूनिट जो है वो है जूल, बिकॉज जब हम एनर्जी यूज करते हैं तभी वर्क डन होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली जो एनर्जी का यूनिट है वो सेम रहेगा, सेम लाइक दैट ऑफ द वर्क डन। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट definitions of the energy. There are different forms of the energy. Next one, there are two main types of the energy. These are the two main types of the mechanical energy. One is called as the kinetic and another one is called as the potential energy. And next one is the उसका SI unit. That is the formula है हाफ एम स्क्वायर और SI यूनिट जो है वो है जूल। उसके बाद में हमें देखना है डेरिवेशंस ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी। सो हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो रेस्ट पोजीशन में है। सो लेट स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग मास, लेट स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग मास m, which is in the rest position. Stationary object having mass m with initial velocity u equal to 0, initial velocity u, और वो 0 रहेगी क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट पोजीशन में है। F is the force applied on the object, F is the force applied on the object causes acceleration of the object in the object and its displacement takes place, and its displacement takes place, and its displacement takes place after time t, its velocity get changes after time t, its velocity changes to v, its velocity changes to v is its final velocity, so its velocity changes to v. So total work done, therefore total work done takes place, total work done will be कितना होगा इसका वर्क डन? सो टोटल वर्क डन विल बी W इक्वल टू वर्क डन विल बी W, सो W इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा F इंटू S। सो हमें अब देखना है काइनेटिक एनर्जी का एक्सप्रेशन, इसको हम वन इक्वेशन देंगे। सो यू नो न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशंस, न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशंस, etc. or expressions for the kinetic energy also. So we know that F is equal to ma. So according to Newton's second law of motions, according to Newton's second law of motion, according to Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Next, according to second equations of motions, according to second equation of motion, काइनेमेटिकल इक्वेशन जिसको बोलते हैं हम, सो S इज इक्वल टू हाफ ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर ut प्लस हाफ at square. So put the value of f and s in the equation first. So you know object is in the rest position, so u is equal to 0. So यहाँ पे हम कंसिडर कर सकते हैं u equal to 0. So s will be half at square. Since u equal to 0, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो रेस्ट पोजीशन में है, तो हम यहाँ पे लिख भी सकते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन रेस्ट पोजीशन. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ f एंड s इन द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. सो यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ f एंड s इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. वी गेट क्या मिलेगा हमें, अगर इक्वेशन f और s की वैल्यू अगर इक्वेशन में 1 में रखी जाए तो w इज इक्वल टू f की वैल्यू जो है वो है यमी, और s की वैल्यू जो है अभी यह है वो है s इज इक्वल टू हाफ at स्क्वायर. सो अगर कुल मिला के इक्वेशन को देखा जाए तो हाफ इंटू यम, ये इंटू ये यानी कि ये का स्क्वायर और t का स्क्वायर यानी कि कुल मिला के बन जाएगा ये यम इन ब्रैकेट at स्क्वायर. ओके, सो दिस इज द w इज इक्वल टू हाफ m in bracket at square. नेक्स्ट वन हमें पता है न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशंस. सो नेक्स्ट वन द बाय यूजिंग इक्वेशंस फर्स्ट मोशंस. सो अगर हमने इक्वेशन फर्स्ट यूज किया तो फर्स्ट यूज किया है, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू या फिर बाय यूजिंग फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट equations of motions. First equation of motion. क्या है first equation of motion? So first equation of motions है v equal to u plus at. बराबर है. अगर u जो है ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन द रेस्ट पोजीशन, so u is equal v equal to at. Since u equal to 0, सो अगर v इक्वल टू at है तो v का स्क्वायर जो बन जाएगा वो at का स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ v स्क्वायर इन दिस इक्वेशन. सो w इज इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा ये, सो w इक्वल टू हाफ वैसा का वैसा m एज इट इज, और at स्क्वायर का मतलब है v स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन. First of all, we have seen that about why the work done takes place. So work done takes place due to the motions, that is kinetic energy. So हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं work done takes place due to motion, या फिर इधर लिख सकते हैं work done takes place due to motion. Work done takes place due to motion, that is kinetic energy. That is kinetic energy, and hence and therefore we can write w, that is the work, equal to kinetic energy, or work done equal to kinetic energy. So therefore kinetic energy equal to half mv square. So ये बन जाएगा हमारा इक्वेशन. So this is the derivations for the kinetic energy. ये जो डेरिवेशंस बन गया है ये है काइनेटिक एनर्जी का डेरिवेशंस.